today's video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent animated characters using a fantastic tool called Minimax. Now, this is going to be especially helpful if you're looking to create cartoons, kids' stories, animated riddles, or even short movies. But here's the catch, Minimax hasn't officially added a feature for consistent characters. However, during a prompt engineering course I took on Coursera, I learned how to trick the AI into maintaining character consistency across videos. I'm going to show you step by step how to make the AI generate consistent characters across multiple scenes. It's super simple, but there are a few key details you don't want to miss, so make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Generate the story. For this, we'll head over to ChatGPT. Here's the prompt we'll use. Write me a short adventure story for kids featuring a boy named Jaden and a girl named Dora. And boom, ChatGPT will give us a complete script in seconds. It's really that simple. This method works with any generative AI, whether you prefer ChatGPT or another tool. You can even write the story yourself if that's your thing. For now, let's keep it simple. Our script will feature two characters, Jaden and Dora, who are going on an exciting adventure, and in the next steps, we'll ensure that they stay consistent across all scenes in the video. Step 2. Generate character details. To ensure our characters stay consistent, we're going to use 3D animated cartoon characters that are free to download from the web. We're not using these characters directly in our video, we're just borrowing their physical features to help create character details. So, open a new tab and search for 3D animated cartoon characters on Google. You'll find plenty of copyright-free options. You can also use AI to generate characters, but make sure they're in PNG format. Next, open a new chat in ChatGPT. Since we always say ladies first, let's start by uploading the girl character. After uploading, head to the video description and copy the prompt I provided. Paste it into ChatGPT with the girl's character image and hit enter. This will generate a detailed prompt for the girl's appearance and features. Now, we'll do the same for the boy. Upload his image to ChatGPT, copy the prompt from the video description, and paste it. This will generate the boy's character details. Now we have consistent character details for both. Next, we're going to customize and use scene prompts for both characters. But before we dive in, if you've found value so far and want more content like this, take a second to hit that subscribe button. Over 90% of you watching haven't subscribed, and trust me, you don't want to miss the valuable content I've got coming up. Let's hit it together in 5 seconds. Welcome to the family. Let's go. Step 3. Customize and use scene prompts. Now, open ChatGPT in a third tab. Use the prompt you'll find in the description by copying and pasting it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will respond with, "Yes, I'm ready." It will ask for the full script and begin analyzing the characters and story environment. Paste the script from the first tab. Next, go to the video description and copy the prompt for Dora. Paste it into the third tab, but don't send it yet. Go back to the second tab, where we generated Dora's character details. Copy all the details starting from her name and going to the end, making sure not to copy anything else. Now, paste these details into the third tab, where you left the incomplete prompt. Hit send, and ChatGPT will save Dora's character details. We've told it that every time Dora's name pops up in the script, ChatGPT will automatically add those character details for us. Just like we did with Dora, we'll now do the same for Jaden. First, go to the description and copy Jaden's prompt. Paste it into the third ChatGPT tab, but don't hit send yet. Go to the second tab, grab Jaden's character details just like we did for Dora, copy them, and paste them into the third tab. Now in our script there is a rabbit, so to save time let's just ask ChatGPT to provide a description for that. Alright, we've got everything set up, and are ready to generate the video with consistent characters. But before we dive in, let me quickly walk you through the prompts in 30 seconds. It's really important to know this so you don't run into any confusion when you create consistent characters in the future. All the prompts I mention will be in the video description for you. First prompt, girl character prompt. When you give this prompt to ChatGPT along with a reference image, it creates a detailed character prompt that any text-to-image or text-to-video AI can use to generate the character. You can swap Dora's name for another character's name too. It's that simple. Second prompt, boy character prompt. This works exactly the same way but for Jaden. While Dora's prompt is for a female character, Jaden's is for a male character. Both will generate detailed prompts based on the reference images you upload. Third prompt. This one tells ChatGPT to help create character and scene prompts for an animated video. First, ChatGPT will analyze the full script, identify the main characters, and generate detailed prompts for each character's appearance, like facial features, age, and clothing. Then, you'll send parts of the script to ChatGPT, which will generate scene-specific prompts. Adding keywords like Ultra HDR and Cinematic will help achieve a high-quality output. Final prompt. These last two prompts tell ChatGPT to remember the character details. So, every time Jaden or Dora's name appears in a scene, ChatGPT will automatically add the character details. This ensures your characters stay consistent across the entire video. I hope that makes sense. I've done my best to make it as simple as possible. Now, let's dive in and start generating our video with consistent characters. The next step is to head over to hiluore.com, also known as Minimax. This text-to-video model, now publicly available, allows you to create videos from text prompts. The great news is that it's free at the moment, but if you're watching this a bit later, there's a chance it may no longer be free. Trust me, it's an incredible tool, and it probably won't stay free for long. Once you're on the site, click the second green button to enter the video generating workspace. After that, you'll want to click the Mine button, which is where your video will be generated. In the description area, you'll enter the prompts to generate your video. Now let's go back to the Chrome tab where we created the story script. We need to understand the story a little better. For instance, our script says Jaden and Dora were playing in the park when they noticed something shiny under a big oak tree. A small golden key. To show this scene, we'll copy the relevant section of the story and hop over to the third ChatGPT tab. Paste it, and it will generate a detailed prompt, which includes everything from character details to scene descriptions. After generating the prompt, copy it, head over to Minimax, and paste it in. You might want to clean up the prompt a bit for better accuracy. Once that's done, make sure to uncheck the tip word optimization box, as leaving it checked might mess up the consistency of the characters. Then, click Generate Video. The video will start generating, and Minimax usually takes a few minutes to process it. I'll pause the video here, and we'll come back when it's ready. Alright, I'm back, and the video took about 4 minutes to generate. Let's hit play and see how it turned out. Right now, Minimax generates 6-second high-quality HD videos, but with the right approach, you can easily create an entire movie using this tool. Now, let's check for character consistency. To do that, we'll generate another prompt and scene. Let's go back to the story and choose another scene. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to show you how to change the characters' outfits. For the next scene, let's use this part where they stepped inside and found themselves in a magical forest. Once again, copy this part of the script, paste it into the third ChatGPT tab, and generate the prompt. Afterward, copy the prompt, head back to Minimax, paste it in, and clean it up if necessary. After the prompt is generated, we'll need to wait a little longer for the video. Once it's ready, I'll be back to show you the final result. Alright, the video is ready. Let's hit play and check it out. Just look at how amazing the consistency of the characters is. I think Dora and Jaden definitely deserve some applause. What do you think? If you like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now it's time to dive into something else, changing your characters' outfits. This is super easy. First, head over to the video description, copy the provided prompt 5, and paste it into the third ChatGPT tab. Jaden is wearing a brown cargo pants, a rugged blue t-shirt, a utility vest for maps, and a comfortable adventure boot. Once you've added that, paste it into the prompt and send it. From now on, whenever ChatGPT generates prompts for Jaden, it will include this updated outfit. Now, let's update Dora's outfit. Go to the description, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. This time, replace Jaden's name with Dora. Then, you can either describe her outfit, or ask ChatGPT to suggest one for you. Once you've done that, hit send, and ChatGPT will update her outfit in every future prompt. After updating the outfits, go back to the story and pick a scene. Let us this. Finally, they reached the crystal cave, where the glowing crystal was hidden. Copy this part of the script, head over to ChatGPT, and generate the prompt for the third scene. Once the prompt is ready, copy it, paste it into Minimax, and click Generate Video. There you have it. Now, let's play both videos side by side to check just how consistent the characters are across scenes. If you're impressed, drop a like. And if you're using Minimax, share your experience in the comments. And that's a wrap. That's how you can create your own story scenes super easily using Minimax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support. MMH here, and I'll catch you in the next one.